The Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's the largest accumulation of trash in our oceans today. Human pollution is swept up by the North Pacific Subtropical Gyre and is collected in the middle of the Pacific. This is not an island of trash, this is a plastic soup that is nearly invisible, and most particles are suspended beneath the surface. This is because of a chemical process known as photodegradation. Plastics photodegrade instead of biodegrade, which causes them to simply be broken down into smaller and smaller pieces, all while toxic chemicals are both released into the ocean and absorbed into the plastics. We wonder if human pollution coupled with photodegradation in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is negatively affecting our ecosystem, environment, and food webs. It's obvious there's a lot of plastic in the GPGP. Scientists have measured approximately 750,000 bits of microplastic per square kilometer, and estimates of the breadth range from twice the size of Texas to the size of the United States. The abundance of these plastics have a multitude of effects on wildlife. Birds like the albatross confuse plastic for food, which they then feed to their children. A 2-year study by the EPA shows that the 500,000 albatrosses that are born each year, 200,000 die of starvation and dehydration caused by the abundance of plastics in their stomach. Furthermore, these blankets of plastic block light needed for algae and plankton to survive in the ocean, which scientists predict will cause a bottom-up trophic cascade. Also, studies show that microplastics are being consumed by more than 1/3 of sampled fish, which allows toxic chemicals in the plastic to transfer up through the food chain, eventually even to humans. Now, what does this all mean? Well, obviously, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch and the photodegradation that goes on in it is a huge issue to our environment, ecosystem, and food webs. We plan to continue this research and analysis to determine exactly what we can do to help.